Juice Show, baby. I'm back in the building. You know, right here. Let everybody know NWA's title on my chest. Ain't trying to beat the game, man. Ain't trying to beat the game. I've been wanting NWA title on my chest, but it's all good and gravy, though. Black people stand up. If you're Eritrean, be proud. Other races make me laugh out loud. But anyways, man, I'm just saying, man. You know, I just found out today, man, the nigga Wayne ain't going to jail yet. I ain't trying to sound like a hater, but this nigga, he's beating the system. Niggas beating the system. Niggas still ain't go to jail. And how the fuck does a courthouse set on fire? This nigga really must have the luck of the Irish, man. But on another level, man, my nigga AI, man, nigga hit me up. I was like, bro, he was like, Bailey made a Juice Show. I was like, who? He's like, bro, Bailey made a Juice Show. I was like, man, alright, I'm gonna done that, man. I'm gonna kill the competition. Bailey, stop making juice. Stop making episodes on the internet. Stop blogging. Meech, stop blogging. Anybody else there that copped the blogging idea, stop blogging. Meech, I really can't say it because you told me to blog it out. Stop blogging, goddammit. You know, I do this. Everybody want to make a blog thing since I made it. You know, last weekend was crazy, man. You know, Friday was real life relaxed and calm, man. And I went ham on one of my friends, man. She started spazzing. I don't care, man. Fuck that. Saturday I went down, man. I went to this party, man. It was all good and gravy. Everybody was like, bro, Cassie's here and you're here, bro. That's just so crazy. And everybody just looked at her and started laughing. And then, like, my nigga Mules, you know, shout out to Eritrean all day. You know, right there. He said, like, she ran in the bathroom and started crying. I was like, oh well. And like she tried to grab on my shoulder and I was like, nigga, fuck off me, bro. And then I was in there with my nigga Sicky Spain, you know, that's my nigga for life. And nigga Watch, fuck Joey. I'm fucking with that nigga. My nigga Grip, the man, right there, baby, got you. Motherfucking Travis. I don't cool with that nigga no more. Nigga try to come in my neck. Somebody was talking shit about him because I think Josh Miller could beat him up. Come on, son. Get the fuck out of here. If it really was that big of a deal, you'd have just fought him right then and there. Shout out to my brothers, you know, Terrence and Mike, my niggas, man. You always got my back. And I do this Juice Show, baby. VA all day. 5-4-0 to the 614. That's how I do it, baby. Yeah.